Hi, we're here at Orchard Hotel here in Baguio City. It's our second day. Ayan, medyo, hindi pala medyo, hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. Kagabi, 19 degrees. Ngayon, medyo mainit. Ewan ko lang mamaya. And so far, maganda naman yung, hindi umuulan. Unlike before, nung pumunta kami, every afternoon umuulan. Ngayon, matraffic. Ang traffic. What can you expect? Long weekend ngayon. Long weekends. So, expect heavy traffic and maraming tao ngayon. Yan. Dito kami nagstay. We will stay here for 3 nights. Yan. Sa Orchard Hotel. Hi, we're here at the Orchard Hotel. Galing kami saan ba kami? Sa Burham Park. Yan, sa SM. And nag-roller skates din kami. Yan, kakauwi lang namin. Buti naman hindi siya umuulan ngayon, unlike nung punta kami before. Yan, we're here at the lobby. As you can see, di ba? Ganda ng interior ng lobby. I think this is a new hotel here at Ligarda. Yan. Okay, we're going to to our room. Ito yung dim sum kitchen. Hanggang 5 o'clock lang to eh. Here, yan, may mga pwedeng pasalubong, mga pastries and ayan, mga pwedeng pasalubong. Oops. We're on the second floor. Yan. Tagal maghintay ng taxi. Walking distance lang papunta dito from Burham Park. Kaya lang, pagod na kami. And pataas kasi siya. So, masakit sa paa, masakit sa legs. Yan. Wow. Hi, we're back. It's time to rest. Here's our hotel, our room pala. Nag-roller skates kami. Takot ako. Yan. Welcome to our room. Yan. Pagpasok mo, as usual, CR. Uy, ba't siya? Yan. Huge sink. Yan. This is the bowl and the shower room. Diba? Maganda naman siya. And enough space, yan, to do your thing. Ayan. Open closet tayo. Mini ref. And 2 beds. 2 beds. May coffee table. And this is, what do you call this, Daddy? Balcony. Yan.